Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to make Google Chrome default browser in Windows 11. So guys, in this tutorial we will learn how to make Chrome as a default. So click on start, then settings. Now here click on apps, then click on default apps. So here guys you will see a list of extensions. You want to make your Chrome browser as a default. So type file type, extension type like PDF. So you will see .pdf. Click here, and in this list you can select Chrome browser as I selected before. If you select another one like Edge, so click here and select Chrome. Then click on this cross icon. So like this guys, you can make Google Chrome default browser in Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Please comment this video useful for you or not.